How to screen record with high quality on OBS Studio. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to screen record with high quality on OBS easily. First thing, go to OBS. This is the home page. Now go right here to this list and go down, click on settings. As you can see, now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the video option and here, go to the output. Click on output. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the recording, and now all what you have to do is make sure that all the settings that I have you have the same thing. As you can see, make sure the settings are the same, the encoder and the rescal output, as you can see. And also you can go here after you finish to the streaming, and now make sure that it's on max quality and the profile on high. Then click apply and OK. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.